Hi everybody, it's Monica here, dietitian from BJC Health, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about whether there is any evidence for the keto diet and reducing inflammation in our bodies. Now it is a little bit tricky because with reading a lot of research you can see that it is quite inconclusive. So there are some research that does tell us that following a keto diet, which is a really high fat diet with very low carbohydrate, may in fact reduce some inflammation in the body. On the other hand, there's lots of evidence that shows that it doesn't and in fact could contribute to poorer health status. And the reasons for that I'm going to try and explain today. So when eating a really high fat diet and really limiting carbohydrates, like not having any grains, legumes, fruit, root vegetables, we are reducing a lot of the fiber in our diet. And some of the research has shown that that can really change your gut microbiome, which can be responsible for helping with our immune system and also keeping us really healthy. Some researchers have a problem with the keto diet in terms of future heart health. Really high fat diets might increase your cholesterol and possibly even contribute to prediabetes and diabetes. In saying that, when I did my research for this topic, a lot of people who do keto diets do manage to do it in a really healthy way. So eating lots of salmon, avocado, nuts and seeds and olive oil. And in those cases, a lot of the health outcomes were better than people following just a standard high-fat keto diet, which meant they were also including things like fatty meats, skin on chicken, cream, sausages, and those types of high fats. So if you're going to choose to trial a high keto diet for your health or for weight loss, or to see if it helps you reduce inflammation in your body, I would suggest that you try and do it in a really Mediterranean way using unsaturated fats and avoiding the really high saturated fats. And then if it's not sustainable for you, because a lot of my clients have told me they have not been able to do it for a long time, coming back to what is an anti-inflammatory Mediterranean style diet, so that if you're eating carbohydrates, they're the really good quality, low GI carbohydrates with lots of fiber in small portions, along with high amounts of vegetables, a regular moderate amount of fruit, nuts and seeds, avocado, and using olive oil. I hope this has helped.